Okay, hi. I just wanted to take some time to show you a quick how-to installation of what I did to a pantry door, to a door jamb to put an automatic light switch in. That way the light comes on when you open and close the door. You don't need to be hitting a light switch all the time. It's fairly easy to do. All parts are available at your home improvement center, Home Depot, Lowe's. Everything cost me about 40 bucks. It's not too difficult to do if you got a little bit of electricity knowledge and a little bit of craftsmanship. You'll be all right. But anyhow, I put a light in my pantry, and here is my pantry door. And there's the light. And when you close the door, out goes the light. And I'll take a second here just to show you the parts. Here's the light back on. Okay, we have up here is the switch. It's just a simple push button switch. And basically I just took a 1-inch spade bit, drilled through the door jamb into the wall, in the hollow part of the wall. And then I took some wood chisels and just recessed the switch into the door frame. I went up to the top of in the attic and ran a wire down to the switch and hooked it up. And I ran that wire up to the light. And I put a pull chain on it, that way just in case I have switch problems or something happens, we can't close the door, you can go ahead and override it if need be. But it was quick and easy, not too difficult. And here we go one more time. And there it is. Good luck to you, and enjoy your light.